What's the meaning of amoeba? Amoeba. 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 Amoeba.
Amoeba is a single-celled organism that belongs to the phylum Protozoa. It is characterized by its ability to change shape, move using pseudopods and consume food through phagocytosis. Amoebas can be found in various aquatic environments and some soil samples. Despite their simple structure, they are able to carry out all necessary life functions, such as respiration, digestion, and reproduction. Amoebas play an important role in the food chain, as they serve as a food source for larger organisms. Some species of amoebas are also capable of causing diseases in humans and animals.